So the Zenfox T3 is a triple channel dash camera with 2K front, 1080p interior, in IR. I mean, it's got countless features. But rather than talk about it, I'm going to show you it. This is what it can do. There was a comment on the Porsche forum, this is really interesting to me. They called the GT4, a dude really, called the GT4 an abomination, right? He called it a Porsche abomination and a parts bin car. So, you know what I decided to do is I thought, well, you know, the best way to deal with this is let's get a Porsche expert out here. A dude that drives Porsches and works on Porsches all the time. I happen to be wearing that shirt. You know, you can see that. That's some Eason Auto love right here. Love you, Bill. And we're gonna get him out here. We're gonna see what he thinks. And I don't know. What do you think, Bill? Is it an abomination? Let's find out. So with Mr. Eason on his way, right, we have to make sure that, you know, the refrigerator is properly stocked. And while we normally use Corona, today we're gonna go a different way. Now this is from my boy, Petrol Enthusiast. So as promised, Bill's here, and he's gonna take the GT4 out for a ride. Let me tell you, Bill, this is what occurred, right? So I was on the net. Some dude says that the Porsche GT4 is a parts bin car. So I thought I'd get you, the Porsche expert out here, thank you for joining, and you can tell me what you think, man.
GT4 is a parts bin car.
It's an absolute abomination from Porsche. So you guys are gonna see that in the next episode. You're gonna get to see Bill's thoughts, and we'll see. Maybe it's an abomination. You know, for the Porsche purists, they say it is. Let's see what Bill Eason thinks.